You pay $20 a month for an AI assistant. On heavy users, the company probably loses money on that, and they're fine with it. Here's how the economics of AI actually work, and why the prices you see today won't survive. Every answer an AI gives you runs on clusters of specialized chips that cost tens of thousands of dollars each, drawing serious power, in data centers that cost billions. Unlike normal software, where serving one more user costs basically nothing, every single AI response has a real cost. That's the core weirdness of this business. It's software with factory economics. OpenAI has reportedly burned billions a year even while revenue exploded. That's not mismanagement. That's the business model for now. A $20 subscription is a buffet. Light users are profitable. The power user running it all day costs multiples of what they pay. Companies accept this because subscriptions are simple, and the real fight right now is market share, not margin. It's the classic playbook. Charge less than it costs, grow, and fix the economics later. Every AI lab is running some version of it simultaneously. So where's the real money? 3 places. Enterprise contracts, companies paying per seat at far better margins than consumers. API access, developers paying per unit of usage. So heavy use means heavy payment, no buffet problem. And the picks and shovels layer. Whatever happens between the labs, the chip makers and cloud providers get paid, which is why the hardware side has printed money through the entire boom, regardless of which model is winning. Now, the part that saves them. The cost of running a given level of AI has been collapsing. The price to process the same workload has fallen at a rate normal industries never see because of better chips and more efficient models. So the bet is, keep prices flat, let costs fall underneath, and today's loss leader becomes tomorrow's margin. It's a race between falling costs and rising usage, and both lines are moving fast. So what does this mean for you? 3 takeaways. Today's flat rate plans are subsidized. Enjoy them and expect more caps and tiers over time. Free tiers exist to feed the funnel, and they will keep tightening. And if you're building on AI, per usage pricing is built to survive. Flat rate resale of someone else's model is not. Nobody's running a charity. It's a land grab, and you're the land. Enjoy the subsidy while it lasts, and subscribe for more of how this industry actually works.